आपने हम सबको जानवर बोला?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Look at him.
ये वो टायर है जो पंचर ही नहीं होता.
ये वो टायर है जो रिटायर नहीं होता.
Hello everyone, this is Priyam and today I'm hanging out with the gentlemen of Total Dhamaal. Hello boys, how's it going?
Going well,
How's it
thank
going?
you.
How's it going?
How is it going? सच बता दो.
बहुत.
ये तो. Look at him. It doesn't show at all.
He's like
है ना?
पता नहीं कहाँ से क्या खा के आते हैं.
इस फ्रेम की एवरेज एज कम हो गई है because you're here. I would just like to tell you.
क्या बात है सर?
है ना?
No,
ये वो टायर है जो पंचर ही नहीं होता.
ये वो टायर है जो रिटायर नहीं होता.
Okay, so Total Dhamaal का ट्रेलर बहुत कुछ हो रहा है उसमें. What I want to ask, when you shoot a film like this, is it that much fun to shoot or are you just really tired to land?
It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun.
Is it?
It is a lot of fun because a lot of time humor is happening within the scene.
Yeah.
Because,
On and off the sets.
Yeah, and on and off the sets because this, see, we are at loggerheads, right? So we are fighting against each other, with each other. But when we are doing the scene, we are laughing while doing the scene. So we have to actually control ourselves and get back into the groove.
But this is true for everybody because you're apparently prankster number one, na, constantly.
Didn't need to play any pranks.
The picture में चल रहा था बहुत सारा. Okay, so in your multiple years of experience, like you played a hero and a villain, you were so good in Ek Ladki, मतलब just so nice. And for Simba, I must mention, of course, Ranveer Singh and Rohit Shetty. But when you came on, you were in PVR. It was a moment. So, and you guys have done lots of comic roles also very, very successfully. Even after all these years, do you need special prep because it required, you know, इस कहते हैं कि बहुत लगती है टाइम से to make people laugh.
I think in this film he needed prep.
Because of, you know, I just because of doing a Gujarati diction थोड़ा बहुत करना था तो उसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा prep करना पड़ा. Otherwise, it was more spontaneous, instinctive, and you know, had well written scenes, punctures, gags, and you know, and obviously when there are great animals in a film, our job becomes even easier because you see the thing, people love animals.
Which I was just going to ask, it's an ensemble cast और इतने जानवर है उसमें.
आपने हम सबको जानवर बोला?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं.
और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि anyone who sees the film, a child, you know, anyone who sees, they love if it is presented with the animals in the film.
I mean, जानवर किसको नहीं पसंद? किसको नहीं पसंद?
Okay, but speaking of all the genres, like I said, इतनी सारी genres को मिल रहा है ऐसे credit scene में. Are they getting special credit? There are so many.
Of course,
animals.
they're stars in their own right. Yeah.
They 100 because
We've
even
shot
the trailer,
with-
all
yeah,
of them stand out.
The monkey is called Crystal. I think that monkey charges a lot, and he's the same monkey from Hangover.
मैंने सुना ही. I thought it was a joke, but it's true, right? It's the hangover monkey.
कि बंदर से एवोल्यूशन हो के इंसान बना और उतना चार्ज नहीं करा होगा क्यों इंसान बना बंदर ही बैठा ज़्यादा पैसे मिलते मुझे एवोल्यूशन की क्या ज़रूरत थी.
Ajay, we can't talk about this film and about you with Madhuri Dixit is in this film, and if there's anybody else who can compete with the 10-year, 20-year, 40-year challenges that you're winning, it's her. It was so nice to see you guys back on screen after so long. How was it working with her?
It was very nice, except for Riteish was little, you know, actually he, you know,
He wanted to be opposite.
opposite Madhuri, yeah.
He was ready to do it for free then.
वो अंदरूनी इनकी ख्वाहिश है, but
He still did it for free. Is besides the point.
क्योंकि उनको बोला गया था कि he'll be आपका opposite माधुरी.
हाँ मैं पैसे देने के लिए तैयार.
But how was that? It was because I know that there was lots of like expectation कि ऐसे कुछ तो कर देंगे remix कोई पुराना गाना. We'll see an Anil Kapoor Madhuri song at least, but it didn't happen.
I think you should always do something which nobody is expecting.
Yeah.
तो क्योंकि this is something expected and it becomes a cliche to do an item song or some song between me and I think it's like, you know, we've always done roles which are we're, you know, pining for each other, romantic, dramatic roles. So this first frame so we just completely, yeah,
But
we had
that's-
loggerheads.
But that's refreshing.
Yeah.
That's
I hope, yeah.
The most iconic romantic.
But that is also a romance. That's a different
romance.
kind of
Yeah,
romance.
नोक झोंक वाला romance. You're
नोक झोंक बिल्कुल नहीं है.
नहीं गाली गलौच वाला.
No, they're at each other's throat.
जान लेंगे
Yeah.
एक दूसरे की जान
Yeah, they want, yeah. You know, उसको ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्यों मेरे किस्मत में ये आ गया.
But it's very, very funny. At least trailer में तो बहुत ही सही लग रहा है. So I'm looking forward to the actual.
नहीं फिल्म में भी सही लग रहा है.
चलो, here's
At least
hoping.
ट्रेलर में भी सही लग रहा है.
Before we wrap, I need to know one reason from each of you why we should absolutely watch it on the first weekend.
Do you like to laugh? You like to be happy?
Great reason.
Go bloody watch it.
Go bloody watch it. Do you have
Like
some-
samosa,
samosa भी सही है.
popcorn, You like sometimes going out with friends and not seeing a film alone. So this is friends, family, you can, you know, पूरा group में. ये तो अकेले जाके बैठते रहे, दो लोग देख रहे. ये 20-25 लोग धमाल करो, टाइम पास करो, you know, लोग सीटी मार रहे हैं, मजा कर रहे हैं, you know, that kind of stuff.
If you are free, go and watch it. If you have some important work, drop it and go and watch it.
All great reasons. 22nd for February, guys. You guys know what to do. Thank you so much, boys, for
Thank
coming.
you.
And all the best for the film. Looking forward.
Thank you. Thank you.